Hello guys, I'm Farzana and today I'm going to tell you about the Augmentin. So this is the Augmentin and it is the combination of co-amoxiclav. Here CO stands for the combination and amoxiclav means it is the combination of amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. It belongs to the penicillin antibiotic which kills different kind of bacteria, and it is available in powder form for oral suspension and in tablet form as well. And the indications of Augmentin are like it is used for tonsillitis, for UTI, for otitis, and besides it is also used for skin infection, pneumonia and respiratory infection as well. And now the side effect of the Augmentin, like skin rashes, vomiting, headache, upset stomach, fever, vaginal itching and dizziness. Now the contraindications of the Augmentin, like it is contraindicated to the allergic patient, contraindicated to the people who are allergic to the penicillin, and it is contraindicated in lactation and in pregnancy. Now the dose and dosage of the Augmentin. Dose is like 30 mg per kg, means it depends upon the weight of the patient in 24 hours. And dosage is like we can give 2 to 3 times of Augmentin per day. So that's all about the Augmentin.